Slow. Slow motion.
Very slow motion.
Both of them.
But that one is younger. Now that one is giving up again already.
So
The
how long does
challenger
this...
now on those two here,
Yeah.
Okay.
but that one in the middle is much older than all of them.
Okay.
I think like that one give up now.
Yeah.
You're gonna see that one other side also gonna be give up soon.
So that's the fight. Just slow motion walking.
Now, like challenging fight.
Yeah. It's funny,
That's
eh?
how slowly they move when they fight.
So slowly.
Unbelievable.
Gonna do it again.
Yeah, I see it's down again. It's weird, eh?
They go into like a trance, eh?
Yeah.
Like a dervish.
You see, that one there he want to go in, that's younger one.
So he's ignoring this one now.
Yeah, this one's put his head up now.
This one to
Don't
stand
say,
steady still.
no, let me do my food.
Now he's upset. This one's upset. You ditched me.